Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should say mode. This one, you can tap on it. As you can see, we can select between Do Not Disturb and Sleep Mode. We want to select Do Not Disturb, so tap on it and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And the mode should be enabled. You can tell by the icon, the mode icon changing to Do Not Disturb, and it should be highlighted by the color. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and also on the watch face you will see that the Do Not Disturb mode icon appeared, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, open the quick panel again, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode disabled, and the mode icon will go back, or come back rather. And if you go back to the watch face, the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also do this through the settings, I believe, so we can press the crown button to open the menu, tap on the settings icon. In settings we can scroll down and look for the, I think it's going to be sound and vibration, so let's tap on sound and vibration first. And here let's look for Do Not Disturb mode. No, it's not here. Okay, so oh no, it's the option called mode, my bad. You have mode option right here. We can tap on Do Not Disturb, and here we can enable it or disable it by tapping on the switch like this. But we can also customize some settings for it. So if you scroll down, you can make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically. To do it, you can simply tap on Add Time. Then we can tap on Start, for example, and set the starting time for the schedule. So I'm gonna set it to something like maybe 10:30 p.m. So let's do it. Okay. And then we can tap on OK. Then we have the end time. So let's tap on End. I'm gonna set it to 7:30 a.m. Okay, and the repeat option basically allows you to select on which days the schedule should be active, and we can select all of them or only one depending on what you like. I'm gonna select Sunday and Tuesday and maybe Thursday. Okay, and then we can swipe right to go back. So we have the start time, end time, and the repeat option. Is it selected actually? No, it didn't. So I guess we need to check them. And I believe we need to tap on OK to save it, my bad. So you need to tap on OK, they will be, the repeat option will be saved, and then we can tap on OK to save our schedule, and here we have it. And you can turn it on or off. You can also turn on multiple schedules if you like to. And basically what it will do is that the watch will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode at 10:30 p.m. and turn it off at 7:30 a.m. Quite useful if you like to sleep with your watch on your wrist. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.